Okay, so in this video we are going to be looking at calculating the area and perimeter of compound shapes. A compound shape is just a shape that's made up of lots of individual shapes. For example, here I have a triangle, a rectangle and a semicircle. Calculating the area is quite easy. We just calculate the area of each of the shapes. So the rectangle, base times height, 10 times 4 is 40. Don't forget your units. The semicircle is the area of a circle, which is pi r squared, and then we divide that by 2. So we would get pi times, if you're slightly careful here, the diameter is 4, and therefore the radius is 2. This length here, that is 2 meters. So we do pi times 2 squared divided by 2, or 2 pi, again, meters squared. And now we look at the triangle. Notice this is an equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are the same length, and the base is 4 meters because these are both the same with the rectangle. Therefore we do for the triangle, base times height divided by 2. So 4 times the height here is this bit, giving us 2, and then we divide it by 2, so I get 4 meters squared. And what I would do is I would add this one, and this one together. I get 40 and 4, which is 44, and then 2 pi. So I'm going to leave it like this, 44 plus 2 pi meters squared. You could of course put it in your calculator if you wanted to get it to 3 significant figures. Now to calculate the perimeter, it's very similar. We just add up all the outside lengths of my compound shape. So I have, this one's at 4 meters, 4 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters. So that's 10, 20, that's so far 28 meters. And then we add on a semicircle. Now, the area of a semicircle is 2 pi r, that's this bit here. Sorry, the area of a circle is 2 pi r. The area of a semicircle, we divide it by 2. So I divide by 2, I get plus pi r. And in this case, r again is 2. So it would be 28 meters plus 2 pi, and again, a bit units of meters. So my answer is 28 plus 2 pi meters. And that would be one example. Let's take another example. What I'm going to look at now is a rectangle, or a square, sorry, which has sides 4 meters, but I've got a semicircle taken out of it. Okay? I don't want to find the area and I want to find the perimeter. Finding the area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the area of the square, that's that whole thing there, which is 4 times 4, 16. Okay? And I'm going to subtract, so I've got the square, I'm going to subtract the semicircle. And I'm going to minus this bit off here. So I'm going to minus pi r squared over 2. So I'm going to take away pi times, now the diameter, the length here is 4 meters, therefore the radius is 2 once again, just like before. So I do 2 squared divided by 2. And my answer is 16 minus 2 squared is 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 pi. Again, meters squared. You can put in your calculator if you want to, but you don't need to, just leave it like that. Okay? The perimeter, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. And then I'm going to add on the semicircle. So it's 2 pi r divided by 2, or pi r as before. So we get 12 plus 2r. Sorry, 2 pi meters. Don't forget your units. Area will be meters squared or centimeters squared. Units for perimeter is a length, it's therefore meters, centimeters, feet, and so on. And that will be how you find the area and perimeter of some compound shapes. These ones have been looking mostly at circles.